Hey, we have the problem on the board. 1 over x plus 1 over y equals 1 over 13. And we have to find solutions for this where x and y are integers, but we only want x is greater than y. This is going to help us out because without that, there are many solutions. I don't know about many, but there's multiple solutions to this. So that's going to help us narrow it to one solution. To start with, I want a common denominator here on the left side. So let's multiply this one by y over y. So we're just multiplying by 1. And here we'll multiply by x over x. Then this left side is just going to simplify to x plus y over xy equals 1 over 13. Then we can just cross multiply here. And we're going to have xy equals 13x plus 13y. Just want to get everything on one side of the equation, so we'll bring everything over here. And we're going to have xy minus 13x minus 13y equals 0. From here, what we can do is factor by grouping. So let's factor out from this piece. We'll factor out an x. So we'll have y minus 13 minus 13 y. Now what we want to do for factor by grouping, we want to have this set of parentheses be exactly the same as this set of parentheses, and then we can be in good shape. So we basically just force it and we say y minus 13. Now we've changed the whole expression, right? Because now we've added minus 13 times minus 113. We've added this 169 on the left side. So to balance it out, we'll just add a 169 on the left side and we're fine. Now that we have this common term that we created, y minus 13, we'll factor that out. And this is going to be on the left side. X minus 13 times y minus 13 equals 169. And this is where having integers is important. This allows us to factor the right side. Now we have different possibilities. We could have 13 times 13. We could have 1 times 169. Or 169 times 1. But you'll notice this has been carefully chosen so that there's only 3 possibilities. There's no other integer factorization of 169. And then here's where this fact becomes important, right? X is greater than y. So for example, like we really don't want this because then x is going to be less than. You know, we can look at this one here, right? 13 times 13. If this piece is 13 and this piece is 13, then x is going to be 26 and y is going to be 26. Not bad, but it's not greater than, it's the same. So we have to reject this case. What we want is this third case. So we'll try 169 times 1. So if x minus 13 equals 169, then x is going to equal 182. And then if y minus 13 equals 1, then y equals 14. And so that's going to be our answer right there. Actually, let's check this real quick. So if we had 1 over 182 plus 1 over 14, the useful thing is that 182 is just 14 times 13. That's how these problems work out. This is the interesting part, I think. So then if we multiply numerator and denominator by 13 here to get a common denominator, then 13 plus 1 is 14, and we have 14 over 182, which I probably shouldn't have wrote that way because 182 is 14 times 13, and these cancel, and we get 1 over 13, which is the same as this. I got this problem from my quiz, Rational Diophantine Quiz, and I'll provide a link in the description. Hope you check that one out.